Okay, egameni la Hoho Football Association sathatha lithuba kubonga kakhulu kwiso-sponsor baka-Hub Essential. Sibonge nakuSigangeni League le competitions committee beyidlalisela labantwana. Imidlalo yamanda 17 la Sigangeni beyi-league ihambe kahle kakhulu. Sibongela nalabaphumelele which is the Flyers. Sibongela na wonke ama-team beka-participate kule league as well as the runners up which is Real Touch. Sibonga futhi nabo Nombembe la khona sibona ukuthi ngula sigruma khona boNombembe. Namhlanje besibonakala abafana abancane kakhulu basijajela lemidlalo kutshengisa ukuthi likusasa kuboNombembe sesinalo. Siyabonga nje kakhulu, siyathemba ukuthi nesponsor sithokotile ngemidlalo lechubeka kola. Siyathemba ukuthi batawuhamba bamelele kahle Sigangeni League na kuma Chamber of Champs. Singoho nje siyabonga kakhulu, sibona imidlalo ihambe kahle. It's a big up to our sponsor which is Hub Essential. Siyabonga.